Hello, this is Bert with another very short video called Probable Cause. I enjoy, I don't know if you do, but looking at some of the forensic programs, and you'll notice that before they can sometimes do a search warrant, they have to have somewhat kind of suspicious evidence in order to get a search warrant. And they call that the probable cause. Maybe some stolen items found in the suspect's car or something like that. Well, if you apply this to the view of the Earth today, there's a few things that are probable cause for investigation. For instance, no way, no how should we be able to see the star Polaris from Australia, and yet we have beautiful time-lapse photos of all the stars going around Polaris from the outback in Australia. It's impossible. So that's probable cause. Something's not quite right. How can we see 60 miles across Lake Michigan to see the Chicago skyline? Well, you're not supposed to be able to see that, but you can. Again, it's probable cause for investigating. Why did Stanley Kubrick, before his death, in 1999 he produced a video claiming that he filmed all the fake moon missions, and they were all faked. So again, things like that, it's worthy of investigation. There's multitude of information out there for the reason you would have probable cause to investigate. The Lake Pontchartrain Bridge in Louisiana was, it's about 25 miles long and should be 384 feet of curvature, according to if there's a curve of the Earth, and yet the engineers said they made it 2 inches longer to compensate for the curve of the Earth. Okay, something is not adding up. The supposed ISS astronaut making a slip up when he says, well, that's over in York, Maine, on the opposite side of the US from where I'm speaking to you right now. Oops. So he's not 250 miles in space, he's on Earth. Just a multitude of shadows in different directions on the moon, objects in front of the crosshairs of the film showing that they've been put in later, the fact that the ISS and those things, satellites, should be glowing red because their ISS is supposedly in the thermosphere to about at least 2,000 degrees. No reason it shouldn't be glowing red, but we don't see that. It should be completely melted. So look at the probable causes. You know, gyroscopes indicate no movement to either a plane or the Earth as far as tipping the nose down around a curve. There's no evidence of that anywhere. No one has been able to demonstrate a curve anywhere. So I urge you, there's so many things that have probable cause. I urge you to look into it and for yourself investigate, because it is worthy of, there is probable cause for an investigation to look further. God bless you. Jesus loves you.